gestures they might be making, but they're doing it for sure. There goes Randy one more time. Right by Neil.
You see him dip his wing down at him?
Oh, yeah. Here comes Randy one more time. He's going to chase Neil down. Randy's definitely going to want to beat Neil in this race. Oh, he's going to sneak up behind him, Jody. Check this out.
Uh-oh. Probably going to scare him to death.
Oh, yeah. I think Randy is out for blood on this one. Here goes Neil one more time, making donuts down at the south end of the airfield. Randy has basically seen enough. He wants to taunt him one more time.
Neil says I got more smoke than you guys.
That's right. All right, here comes Randy one more time. He's going to sneak up on him again. But Neil is going to blow that afterburner right as Randy comes by. Let's check that out. Oh, wow. Now, finally, before the race starts, how many people are going for the airplane by show of hands or noise? Nobody.
Yeah, there's a few.
I am. I'm going for the airplane. How many people going for flash fire? Oh, man, he sure is popular here. Flash fire seems to be getting the nod.
All right, here they go.
Here they go, folks. In just a second.
Now, Randy's going to be over 200 miles an hour whenever they cross.
Yep.